Hi everybody! This is my first video and I'm actually so excited to do it because, as you know, I'm a cosplayer. I'm starting YouTube. I was before in TikTok, that I will put it right here, and I'm gonna try to do videos even here in YouTube. As you know, I already posted some shorts about my cosplay that I already have, but as you know, I say in this account I will post about my unboxing my cosplay, of course, videos and other things, get ready with me, and review. So I buy a new cosplay already like 1 month ago from AliExpress. Very excited about this cosplay because it's from an anime. I think you all know it, but the package just come now sorry, and I'm so excited to see what I got. Like, I wanted to review. I see so many people buy it, and I watched the anime. I really like it, so let's get started with the package. Okay, oh my god, I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna start with the wig because I bought the full package. So the dress, the accessory, and the wig. So here's the wig. It's purple. It's a purple wig. Pretty cute. I can use it for a lot of characters. We have the, I think it's the wig cap. Yeah, the wig cap. Of course, I will use it like everything. Then we have a ponytail. That's cute. Let's see. It's okay. The material is good. I will crimp it, of course, and brush it. But this is the ponytail. Yeah, I think if it... No. This is the ponytail. I think it's in this side. But it's cute. I like it. It's this kind of purple. See, it's shiny. Of course, wigs from AliExpress are actually good. Depends which one you go or which store you buy. And the store that I buy it was actually good. So the main wig, it has pink, some stripes of, and bangs. I love bangs in the wig. It's so long. I love it. So it has bangs. You can see, I think you understand. It's not toilet sparkle, but it's actually a good idea. I think I will make it with this wig. I can do a lot of character if I want. So it has pink stripes. It's so lovely, and I love this part of the side of the wig. It looks like my real hair, let's say like that. But I will brush it because you can see it's not the best wig you can get, but it's from AliExpress. I'm not expecting a beautiful thing like Doki Doki, or even better. Let's see, like this. So this is the wig. I'm actually very happy how it looks. I was scared for the color. Let me say, because the color of this character, it's very bright, and of course I will bring this cosplay like a Comic-Con. So we have the main thing, the dress, and I'm pretty sure from the dress you will know which character is it, and I will put it in my intro of my account. I have so cute. Okay, come in really back here. I have Freddy. No way. Okay. have freebies. No actual way. So I have keychains. Of course, I will use it for my backpack. Okay, so the first one, this is the character. That's so cute. Then we have this one. That's so pretty. I think this might be my favorite. It's her iconic pose. Then we have, oh, that's so cute too. This is her other dress. And even this one is so cute. And we got stickers too. Oh, that's so cute. Let's see. Okay, so about the freebies, I'm very happy about it. That's really nice from a package, expecting from AliExpress. Very proud of it. In this account, as you know, I will post even review about my other cosplay. But let's see. So we have, oh, we have a Christmas sticker. That's so cute. Oh, she's so cute. I think I will use it for my like iPad. Oh, look at that. Yeah, they're totally so cute. I love it. I love it. Most of them I will give it to my friend. A friend that I, because even she likes this anime, and her birthday was in November, and I forgot to give her a gift, and I feel bad about it because she's so nice, and I wanna give her something. So some of these stickers and some of this keychain. Very proud. That's so cute from the seller. Okay, so now we go back to the dress. Let's start with this. Okay, we have the accessories here. As I see, I think there is the glass. So we have the belt, black, stretchy, and with this type of. Really like it. I really enjoy it. We have a little heart, of course, to put it in the dress. That's cute. That's actually not the best material, let me tell you. I think maybe I will change it because it's like, it's not paper, but it's not the best thing. Oh, we have her little stars in the hair. I think it was on this side or on this side. They're really cute. I really like it. And it's this kind of nom 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 shark piece. I think this is the name, shark piece. I will call it shark piece. So this is kind of little, I think. This is kind of little. I feel this is too little. I don't know if you will see it in the cosplay actually. So this is supposed to be the bow. It comes like, wait, see, it's supposed to be this bow. Like, I don't know if you will see it. So after we have the gloves, never have a glove in my entire life for a cosplay, man. It's stretchy, that's very good. And we have a little bow. Let me try it. Okay, it's not the best material, as I say, it's from AliExpress. But, oh. Man, the gloves are creepy. Oh, maybe I put it the wrong side? I don't think it's the wrong side, you know? Oh no, yeah, it's the wrong side. Sorry. I was already judging. Yeah, these gloves are not the best thing. I'm sorry. Maybe I should fix it because, like, it's not stretchy here. It's not that. And my fingers are like here. that's already a bad problem because, okay, I can easily buy another gloves or just repeat it and put it again, but that's actually a bad thing. Okay, that's okay. Then we have the ties. They're socks. Oh, they're stretchy. That's actually good because my legs doesn't fit everything, so that's why. That's good. Same thing with this. And we finished the accessories. Okay, from the accessory I expect maybe a little bit more better quality. I mean, it's from AliExpress. I should expect that the quality it wasn't the best, but I have better cosplay. I mean, I have better cosplay with this material actually. As literally my Miku cosplay is from Shane and the material is fantastic. I'm sorry, but even my Kenjo cosplay, it's beautiful, the material. Same with my mom, beautiful. Now I'm scared about the dress after this long time. I don't like the material, I think. No way, stretchy, but so this is the dress. That's cute. I don't like the material of these stores. It's it can break easily. I don't know if it's this side or the other side. It doesn't even say it. Okay, I will fix this too, man. I will fix a lot of things in this cosplay. So the arms, there is no zip. That's a problem because what if it doesn't fit? So it has three. We have a yellow, light pink, and more Barbie pink. The material is not the best thing, okay, but as I already say, it's from AliExpress. But I paid like 38 euros. 38. Plus the shipping was 3 euros, so like maybe I was expecting a little bit more, maybe not. I cannot really tell about it, but now we try it on, we see if it fits, because if it doesn't, I think I will give it back. This is supposed to be a S, because I'm actually XXS, but when you buy a cosplay, always buy like a size little bit bigger than you. And I fit anyway in S, so I'm just scared that my head doesn't fit, or maybe the arms or my shoulders. Most of the thing I'm scared about my chest and my waist. So let's see. Be right back. Yeah. So this is the cosplay. I don't know if it fits me good actually. I don't know if it's maybe the color or the size, but okay, so here is it. This is the front of the cosplay. As you see, is maybe supposed to be more fluffy. Okay, I can fix it with a petticoat. The socks, I don't like it at all. I literally don't like this part. Same thing with this. It keeps falling. It keeps gloves. I mean, here. I don't see nothing, man. I was expecting anything but not this. Again, something. This is the gloves. Then we have this part. It would be better if it was glued on. Little stars. This one is killing me right now. This is the back. The back is literally perfect. It just on the front, I don't know if it fits me good, but maybe I should try it with the other accessories and the wig. I don't have the makeup on, so I look a little bit ugly. So I'll be right back again, but you cannot touch anything with this glove. But be right back. So right now we put all cosplay, so it's actually cute. I was judging, but now I put even the wig, so I look weird. I know. You don't have to say it in the comments. I know that I'm weird, but I'm crazy to say I actually like it. I think the ponytail was in this part. After I double check. But the wig, I love it. The wig, I really like the pink part and everything. The bangs was long here. I cannot see. I cut it like this. Please don't judge. So for me, it's a 8 out of 10 because I know there is more cosplay that can be worse than this. But as you know, AliExpress is different sellers. It's not the same. So you can get whatever they can send you. But I think it was like this the way. Oh, it was in the side. That's why it's weird. Like, got it. That's the reason why it was looking weird. Her bangs like come here. Oh, let me do it on top of it. You can see my real hair, but it's not a problem for me. I mean, it's my channel. I can do whatever we want. But do we like it or do we hate it? I like it, but I think I will change the gloves. After all, you can see this. That's good. And the socks are so uncomfortable. I don't like this material, and I don't like this part. See, like, I don't know if it's me. It's just something. But I put the belt. Without the belt, it looks weird. I don't know. Yeah, that was the unboxing. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, please. I wanna continue this channel. I wanna feel like, oh, this kind of cute way. Okay, we got it, Chris. We got it. If you want to see some content about this cosplay, please say it in the comments. I would love to read all the compliments and other things. I want to know what you think about my cosplay. And yeah, that's it. Bye.